Nature has weird exceptions. 4 animals break the rules. Honey from Egyptian pyramids was still edible after over 3,000 years. Sugar and hydrogen peroxide block every bacterium. Naked mole rats are the only mammals that do not regulate their body temperature. They simply match their surroundings instead. Elephants are the only mammal that cannot jump. Their legs are built like load-bearing pillars without spring action. A cat purr sits between 25 and 150 Hz. That exact range promotes bone healing and reduces inflammation. Which rule breaker surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments and follow for part 2. Watch again, the first one is wild.